Imagine a world without water. Plants and animals would die. Planet's ecosystem would collapse. A devastating reality we must prevent. My name is Prince Dale G. Albuera, Grade 4 SSES, and this is my performance task in science, water conservation. Before I begin, let us answer what is water and its importance. Water is the liquid that makes life on Earth possible. Without it, everything will be extinct. That's why we should do our best to save water and reduce its consumption. As you know, that 3/4 of our planet is covered with water, but small portion of it is drinkable by humans. Listen closely. 97% of water is salt water and 0.025% is drinkable, and it decreases every year due to human consumption and water contamination. Therefore, water is not unlimited. What causes water scarcity? Do you know that how many gallons of water we are wasting when we flush our toilet? Around 1.6 gallons of water. Do you know how many gallons of water we waste when we leave the faucet on when we brush our teeth? It is 4.5 gallons of water. A dripping faucet was 8 gallons of water a day. Imagine how we waste our water supply without even realizing it. So what are the consequences when the water runs out? Number 1. In human health, the limited access to water increases the risk of waterborne diseases. Number 2. Food security, insufficient water for agriculture impacts global food production. Number 3. Economics impacts. Water scarcity affects industry from manufacturing. Number 4. Environmental, the reduce of water flows harm the ecosystem. What are the solutions to prevent this from happening? Turn off the tap. Fix leaks. It will significantly reduce water waste. Fold the laundry. Rather than running small loads of laundry, save them to run larger, fuller loads instead. Reuse the water. Reusing water used for cleaning vegetables to water the plants. Rainwater storage. Rainwater harvesting or collecting rainwater reduces demand on municipal supplies. Water-saving practices. Adopt habits like shorter showers and turning off taps while brushing teeth. By doing this, we are helping in water conservation. Fellow students, let us always make conscious choices to conserve water in our life. Therefore, every small action counts, and collective efforts can drive significant positive change. Again, this is Prince Dale G. Albuera. Let's start saving water.